Alright, so the next video is about the ejector. So one of the things we got done was we mounted the alarm for the injector. And in the previous video, you see we have our test cap because today we're going to fill this system with water to test the drainage and the drain pipes here, and test the vent pipes, which go all the way up to the roof. And again, as I mentioned before, this is a separate system. This system is not attached to the rest of the plumbing system in the house. The basement bathroom, the ejector, and its vents are totally separate. They go all the way to the roof, through the roof by themselves, and it's a separate system. So we're gonna have to fill that with water as well. The can won't be involved in the test because we're gonna we're gonna plug the pipe entering the can, the ejector pit, and then start filling it from the vent. We're gonna fill from the roof, from the third floor, so the water will fall down here. I've done this before. It's only 2-inch pipe with a 10 to 20 foot head, maybe 22. So we should be good with this Fernco cap. I've rarely seen them blow off. I've had these clamps fail where you couldn't get them tight enough. But to hold a 20-foot head in a 2-inch pipe is not too bad. If you go to 30, 40-foot head, then the pressure really goes up, and you'll actually see the Fernco bulge on the bottom here. I might show that in the video when we get them all full. But usually this is enough to hold it. The fun part is when the test is done is unscrewing this cap and basically get the hell out of Dodge, because when it comes off of there, it's coming down fast. So if you haven't done this before, I might do it on a video and show you what happens when you pull this cap with that much head on it. So that's it. Alarm's in place, ready for the closet. And yep, and what's the other update? I probably already have this in the video, but this bathroom is done. This is ready, set for the lavatory. We probably showed that in the video. We got it all clamped up. These have to be pressed already. They're loose. I just set them on there. The reason I put the valves here and here is when we fill this with water to test it, there's not going to be any way to drain the water out. So I put the valve on the lowest part and here in the lowest part, so that we could drain out the water for after we test it. We're still in a bit of a cold, this part of the nation. We're floating around 30 degrees. The problem with that is 30 degrees and a good wind, and you're freezing. It could happen in a snap. It has happened a couple times this week. So that's how it is on the eastern seaboard of the Atlantic. All right, see you on the next one.